Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm very excited to show you how I made this Sacculent with polymer clay. It will be the best kind of jewelry for any plant lover. For the shades, I'm using eyeshadow palette. You can use any kind of pastel color, but my choice is go for the eyeshadow palette. I baked it preheated oven at 275 Fahrenheit degree for 15 minutes and it's all ready for a ring. Then I'm using glue for attach the ring hook. And here we have the final look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.